to leaders of this country, I'm really thankful to them for the kindness, for the facilities what they are giving to us. Being an expat, they have given everything to us. Okay, all the infrastructure, whatever we ask, it's without asking. Actually, they gave to us. I'm really thankful to all sheikhs, from all the Emirates, because without their support, without their help, directly or indirectly, we cannot do anything over here. But Alhamdulillah, they have given to us everything without asking, which I think, however I take thanks, it is not enough, So that is what I have to thank to them.
تقرب منازلها إلا محب زايد أسسها واليوثن وراها داروا على الدانات 7 أبد إلا دار زايد لا تقرب حماها لا تقرب.
Welcome our viewers, a new episode of your program Bears of Union. As we always do, we put a spotlight on successful personality here in UAE. Please welcome with me within Dubai City, Mr. Abdurrahman Bizar, the owner of Beans and Cream Cafe. Hi, Mr. Abdurrahman.
Hi, good afternoon.
First of all, Mr. Abdurrahman, can you tell us more about you and your scientific and practical stops?
I came to UAE in 2007. Okay, I am from Mangalore, Karnataka, that is which is in India, southern part of India. Okay, I did my graduation. After graduation, I came for a job to UAE, where I worked for a logistics company for almost 5-6 years. And then I went to, I did oil and gas equipment business. Then after almost, after 11 years, I thought, to do the chart business, which is actually a Mangalorean, our main concentration is for the Mangalorean charts, because we come from Mangalore. And when I came here on 2007, I went to Naif area and all those places where I wanted to have a chart, which is from Mangalore. So I did not find that. So that was my idea, was right from the 2007. I want to set up a business wherein people can afford with the lesser price and all the stuffs and good quality one. So that is how I started this, business came
yes,
up in my mind.
Mr. Abdurrahman, from that, can you tell us when did you decide to open Beans and Cream Cafe, and how's that goes with you?
See, Beans and Cream Cafe, actually it was a coincidence, I have to say. Okay, my cousin was here, so we thought, we have to. Earlier I used to stay in Furjan, so I thought, when I came, I shifted to Karama. So I could not find a cafe or a chart shop which satisfies a Mangalorean crowd. So that is how in 2000, almost 2017. So I thought I need to open up. That's what my plan came up with. So then I looked out for the shops everywhere where the crowd can come. That is how I got this shop, luckily. So that is where I decided, I need to start my business, Beans and Cream Cafe, with all the charts and all the stuff,
Wonderful. Every successful business face up obstacles and difficulties, especially in the beginnings. Can you tell us more about this obstacle did you face up?
See, here we did not face an obstacle, I have to say, okay, because one is the government over here and the easier to do the business. That is the main thing, We could have set up the business immediately in the approvals, whatever is there, it was awesome. The Dubai municipality approval, everything it took easily. Okay, I cannot say there is an obstacle. Yes, obstacle when I say, yes, marketing is the one thing which we are doing with the social media and all steps. That is how we promoted our brand, and we made one more cafe branch in Ajman, Tumbe University, named as Chai and Charts. Okay, because Chai and Charts by Beans and Cream. That is how it is named as. It's in Ajman University Hospital. Recently just we opened up.
Wonderful. UAE United Arab Emirates market known as a highly competitive market, especially in this field, food and beverage.
Yes.
And to be special in this market is the key of success. What's make Beans and Cream special?
See, as I told you, our special is more to our place, which is Mangalore again. Okay, so we sell all the charts which is from Mangalorean, for Mangalorean people. More we concentrate on more on Mangalorean people. Okay, because our hometown, it is our hometown, and we can there are a lot of charts. You will find a lot of chart shops. Okay, North Indian, South Indian, everything, but our Mangalorean chart is bit different. Okay, the breakfast is bit different, like upma and shira, these are all the things, and charmuri. There are a lot of street food. Okay, you can find a lot of street foods here from Mumbai, Gujarat, everywhere. Okay, and UP, but not the street food of Mangalore. So my main idea and main thing was only concentrate on my basic thing, that is the Mangalorean charts. So which I promoted, and Alhamdulillah, it's doing well.
What is the concept you take for Beans and Cream?
See, Beans and Cream, as I told you again, see, one is quality is our main, main thing, quality, which we don't want to compromise with the quality of the food. Okay, and second is, all the whatever, it's not only about Mangalore, we have all the charts for all the people. If you ask coffee, we have a Beans coffee again. If you ask, there is a biryani chai, again it's a signature chai, and a saffron chai. These all are, little bit, we are different from others. We don't want to compete with others. Our idea is totally different. We are not here there to look, oh, he's doing good business, I have to copy him. No, our total idea is totally different. We see what we want, and we give what we want for the people. Okay, that is how it is going on.
Also, United Arab Emirates known as a good environment for investment.
It's very true.
How this environment reflect on you and your business?
To open a cafe, it was not a difficult one, because the government facility over here, opening of a bank account or a visa, what you ask anything, you get it. It can be done immediately. That is the one good thing about UAE. This government has given a lot of things. Without asking us, we get that facility, which is more important. We go to any office, we no need to go 10 times or 20 times, please get this done. No, nothing. We go, they treat us like we are just a guest. That is the thing they do with us, which even I know as an Indian, even if I go to India, it is not easy to open up anything, But UAE is not like that, Especially I am being in Dubai because I have not been to other part of Emirate. But Dubai, I always feel this is as my second home, For you safer, we are open till 2, and we are not facing a single problem, any issues, okay, be it electricity or anything, we can run our business. People come here without any fear. Whereas in other part of world, you can see, night time they are frightened to go outside. Okay, but here it is not that, that is the beauty of this country.
Yes, Mr. Abdurrahman, if you agree with me, success is not an individual work. Who's the people behind your success?
See, all my staffs, and plus this country. That is what I can say. Because without their effort, I will not be reaching this position. Or I cannot take my legacy or my name further, because with their help, Alhamdulillah, it's going on.
What is the word success means to Mr. Abdurrahman?
See, more success for me, it's not only about money. Main thing is you should get your name only giving by doing a good thing, good quality. I don't do big profit business. It's only quality business. Okay, that is what our main thing is. That is what I always feel. The quality is main thing, not the money. You can make money. It's all Allah who is giving us. But end of the day, if you give a good thing, obviously people will appreciate you. That is what it is.
So what's your future plan?
See, our future plan is to open up another minimum 5-6 outlets in Dubai itself. Okay, so we are looking for a good place like Gisais, like JLT Furjan, and Jabal Ali. Then again going back to Sharjah. These are the places we are looking at, and even Ajman we have already opened up as chai and charts. But again, we are looking for further expansion. So, inshallah, within 2-3 years, our plan is minimum of 15 outlets. This is what our plan is.
As a successful personality and from your long experience, what would you say for our youth as a motivational message?
See, for youth, I always like to say is, work hard and, with good intention. That is the main thing, because if your intention is good, inshallah you will succeed, and if your intention is not good, then it will be a temporary success. That is what I have to always say. Work hard and good intention will reach you inshallah anywhere. That's that's how it is.
ليس لها واحدة بل ألفنا للمستحيل. قولة تحملها الريح إلى كل الجهات.